To clear cache on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is fairly simple. Now, there is no specific way to clear all the cache that is currently on your watch, so you have to clear it for each app individually. To do that, you're going to begin by opening up the Settings app, and then in the Settings app, you're going to scroll and select the option Apps. When you do that, you're then going to look for the option App List and select that. And then from here, you should be able to see all the apps installed on your watch and which ones are taking up most of your space. Now, say for example, you want to clear the cache of your browsing app, you can go ahead and select it, scroll down, and then once it's successfully loaded, you should see the option Clear Cache. Go ahead and select that. When you do that, the cache data for that specific app should be successfully cleared. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.